Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change background in video call on Skype application. So how to change background in video call on Skype application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First of all, please enter the Skype application on your computer. Please enter one of the chats for you to call. Well, here in the upper right section, tap the Start Call icon. Tap Start Call again. Well, here we are already in the call display. To turn on the camera, at the bottom of the display there is a camera icon. Tap the camera icon to turn on the camera. Here the camera is on. Next, in the camera icon section there is an up arrow, and tap. Here there are many menu options to set the camera and call. Tap on the HD user performing section. Well, here there are two active camera applications on my computer. Let's try replacing it with the OBS virtual camera. Well, here why doesn't the camera appear? Because I turned it off in OBS for my camera. Next, tap again the cross on the camera icon. Here also available. Adjust brightness allows adjusting the brightness of the video to make it look clearer, and also, autofocus automatically adjusts the focus to keep the image sharp, especially when there is movement. Both of these features improve the quality of video calls. To change the background during a video call or meet. Here there is a button, Change Background. Well, here there are many choices of backgrounds that you can use during a meeting or video call. And we can also add manually, for example, it has been determined by our meeting host for the background. Tap the three dots for more background options. Here are more backgrounds to use during meetings or video calls. We can take it from our computer folder. How to? Tap the plus sign here. And automatically directed to our Windows folder. For example, I will choose this image to be used as a background. Then tap Open. Well, here we can see that the background has been changed. So that's it. Tutorial how to change background in video call on Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.